Good news, lumber showed up. So I can start this lower sunken portion. That would be where all these green lines are. Those represent a lower floor. Those are called the super joists or TJI. Also found out this morning they didn't get shipped. So I ordered them and they're probably coming out sometime today. So I think we're now organized. When these guys show up, we'll be completely organized. If this doesn't show up, I will move on to this second floor here. Not second floor, the upper portion of the main floor. But something tells me these guys aren't too far off from showing up. So we'll move into time lapse. I think I'll set the camera up somewhere on the back of the foundation there and let her rip. So I don't know if you've seen it in the time lapse there, but I of course forgot a header here over this basement window. So they send us our headers with the home company because they like quality. So it's an LVL product and I have to find it in here. It looks overwhelming, I'll be honest. This all, looks like a lot of beams, but let's be honest, it's one at a time. So I'm looking for 7 1/4 by 6. Actually, there it is, right there. 7 1/4 by 6. You might not be able to read that, but it's actually labeled. So, break some bands here. Get that guy right where it belongs. Gotta want to be careful here, not to make too big of a mess. I believe it was right here. Let's get these guys. Look at those little things, hey? I don't know where I'm going to put all these little beams. Actually, I kind of do. We'll get to that later. I'm pretty sure. Shy. 7 1/4 by 6. 1. 2. There. That's our header. Let's go cut that. Put you back to time lapse. Bye for now. I'm gonna find the bearing wall on the footing here. I got my string in place. So now what I do is I level down. So I use a broom to find my red dot. There it is. Gotta come back 1 inch. Oh, a little bit too far. It's gotta be close. See it, I'm a smidgen out. Should be hitting the line. Yeah, right there. Mark it. I know you can't see that, sorry. I just marked the red dot on the concrete. Over to the other side, of course. ahead an inch. Oh, a little too far forward. Pull it back a quarter. No, that might be too much. Yeah. Oh, maybe too much the other way now. Nope, right there on the string. Can't see it. Yeah. Hope you can see that. Mark it. Okay. Got a little schmag here, and now we don't. Okay, so I'll snap a line and there we go. So I measured in from the outside. I'm looking for that bearing wall there. Measured in from the outside. Here's my mark. Put the string line on. Unhook it from here. Here's my nail here. Measured in the same distance, put this here, tighten it up. Okay, now this line isn't anywhere near plumb, but it's right on line with the same distance from out there. Double check this measurement. Should be 12 foot 10 and a half. Yep. And I know when I hooked on it was perfect here. Same thing over here. I already got some framing up right there. It should be 12 foot 10 and a half. Yep. So now I'll take the laser and I'll do the same thing. Yep, that is PL 400 or wood lumber lock or wood glue. I'm telling ya, we put it on everything. I'll say it again. If you want to know what, go to my wine advent calendar video in the video section of my channel. And I'll tell you where we put all this stuff. I also want you to just have a look at the wine advent calendar video. I think it's kind of neat. But that's me. Time lapse went dead. really good one. Vibrated loose. That one bent. That one seemed like it went in too easy. Now it's probably holding the best out of these. One more here. That one's no good. There it is. Okay. Now we'll put the rest of the plies on and we'll stop for coffee. So a thunder shower comes through and ends my day.